Yo, keep 6 feet. 6 feet away from me. You got that? Yeah, you go that way, or we're gonna have a problem. You mess with me, I take you to court for harassment. You got that? Keep your dog to yourself, because I don't like dogs. You got that? Yeah, you go that way, because you're harassing me. You fucking prick. Hey, I'm gonna get your name, and I'll take you to court. So don't come around me again. Okay, buddy, yeah. I hope I got that message clear for you. 6 feet away from me. You got it? You're standing right next to me with your stupid dog. Like I asked you to. Scumbag, come around me again. We're gonna have a problem. I'm gonna make a real scene. Fucking turd. Loser trash. Yeah, you go that way and you keep on going.